It can get really annoying when you're viewing your phone and your screen just get dark. How annoying is that, guys? But in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how to stop your phone from timing out while you're viewing it. Go ahead and swipe up and go to settings. Then tap on display. Then scroll all the way down to where you have screen timeout, tap on that. Now from here, you will see at the bottom, it says keep screen on while viewing it. And what it's going to do, it's going to simply use your camera. So once your phone is in front of your face, your phone will detect that you're looking at the phone and it will no longer timed out. And especially if you're using a short timeout, which is 15 or 30 seconds, then using this feature can be super helpful. So go ahead and toggle it on, and from now on you can use your phone because your phone will be detecting your face while you're looking at it. How amazing is that? Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you find this useful, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get more tips just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.